This is Saturday, August 8th at 9 p.m. This is the opposite end of the alley. That's my building at the other end. This is what our neighborhood sounded like before Next Health put their MRI Chiller machine on the roof in between three hard-tiled walls. It's very peaceful at this end of the alley. Again, that's what our end of the alley sounded like before Next Health moved in with their MRI Chiller machine. I can hear it from here, over the waterfall. I can hear it from here. And that's what we're subjected to for 24 hours a day, living above this chiller machine.